This is an updated video on HNRC, but this is how we found this with DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that you can find out there. They use user input and AI to find and research these things. Their mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's it. You got 1 hour free one-on-one training, instant support, 100% guarantee. Beautiful testimonials. Just look at some of these. I love you guys. I love the program. I'm up 30K. This guy's up 500K. This guy 10K. This guy said he made 30 million. You got to read this one. It seems legit. It just goes on and on. Well, let's get into HNRC and check out what's going on there. Okay, using DDAmanda and the 200-day low scan, one of our guys found this back on March 2nd with this 200-day low here. And he started looking at it and looked at the financials, and it just kind of blew his mind. So, she started getting some attention, and of course we bought some the next day. Got up to a high of 1650 here, went up 74%. Then she dropped back a little bit, but now she's getting her second win because she just released financials, which were very impressive. Okay, so on Friday she closed at 12 cents, and with a book value of $1.35, $1.35. There's a lot of upward potential here, guys. Okay, HNRC just released their financials for 2022, and pretty impressive increases here. Their total assets went to almost $93 million from 74. Current liabilities decreased to $1 million. So total stockholder equity about 90, almost 92. Which results in a book value of $1.35 per share, okay, and which is pretty impressive. Right now she's trading at 12 cents, of course. And here's your revenues, up 32%. Net income, this is the net, guys, almost $10 million here, all right. And what else we got? Oh, this is interesting. HNRC management owns 32% of their commons, okay? You add all these up here, you get 20.5 million that management owns. So if you take your float and subtract what management has, you come up with 36 million trading. That's it. And we got some other cool stuff. They want to close a 352 million appraised acquisition by the end of this month, okay? Appraised reserves at 352 million. And last but not least, we've got a 10 million underwriter to uplist to NASDAQ NYSE, okay, this year. So there you go. Pretty impressive stuff. Everybody that tries DDAmanda loves it. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. This is DDAmanda stock screener and scanner for NYSE, OTC, NASDAQ, all the exchanges. And it lets you find these winning stocks. Now they use both user input and AI to find these things. Easy enough to use by total beginners, and also has advanced features used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. Ain't that cool? I've used this and it's really, really good. So what do people say about this? They have some testimonials here. I love you guys. It's well worth it. I made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Just digging DDAmanda. It just goes on and on. So And look at this, they give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. They got a 100% refund guarantee. Here's a live phone number that you can call. Down here are your subscription levels. They've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check it out. And then you got some other subscription levels here. Really, really well worth it, guys.